Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm sharing a very easy pancake recipe with you which will give you very soft and fluffy pancakes every time. Let's start. First take one egg and crack it into a bowl. Then add this package mixture into a bowl. Then add oil in it. Then add a splash of milk in it. Now give it a good mix until it becomes like this. Now heat up a pan with some butter. Now pour in the pancake batter you just prepared. You can size your pancake however you like. I love thick pancakes, so I'm using all batter once. Once you see bubbles on top, it means it's cooked from the other side. That's it. See, our delicious pancake is ready. Now we will serve in a plate. I will put this peanut butter on top. If you enjoyed this recipe, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.